Hey now, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bite. I have a lettuce burrito. It's just lettuce. No, I'm kidding. It actually has some chicken in here. It has black beans, it has rice, and it has avocado. I was gonna cut it in half to do my thumbnail that way, but I stuffed it too much. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe just do that. So got those good tomatoes. See, I really messed up. It's falling out. Here's a piece of chicken. So I'm about to bite it so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Oh. Couldn't get all that lettuce. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Being greedy, put too much stuff in there. It's good though. So you got black beans and rice, you got avocado, chicken on top. And in case you didn't guess, I am making a mess. Oh, did y'all hear my stomach? When I was drinking that water, it started gurgling. No, it don't look spectacular, but it's really good. And I actually put some yum yum sauce in there too. Okay, I don't have anything to talk about. So I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank you so much for hanging with me for a little bit. Like this video if you like the video. Comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.